Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you tips and tricks to get the white and black Buttercup in Create Garden game of Roblox, the Buttercup quest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open my daily quest, and for today's quest, I need to harvest one white Buttercup, and I've already harvested one white Buttercup guys. Then I'm going to show you the tips and trick to get black and white Buttercup. So guys, for the white Buttercup, you can use the white mutation, such as the ghostly mutation or the silver mutation. And for the Buttercup I harvested today, I got the Buttercup with the ghostly mutation. As you can see here, the ghostly mutation can give my Buttercup white color. And I used the grid pumpkin to get the ghostly mutation. Or you can use the dragonfly, silver dragonfly, to to give you the white color for your Buttercup. And for the black Buttercup, um, we can use the Moonlit mutation, guys. Okay, this one, as you can see, this black Buttercup has the Moonlit mutation. You can use the wolf path, which can give us the Moonlit mutation, or you can wait until the weather come, the weather that can give us the Moonlit mutation. So yeah, the white and black is a mutation, guys. So you can use mutation to get black and white Buttercup. Okay guys, and that's all the tips and trick from me. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.